So because couldn't actually find a holographic eyeshadow, I'm actually gonna make my own just using some eyeshadows that I have. So, you know, it's kind of like a bit of a DIY holographic eyeshadow makeup tutorial. What I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna use some coloured eyeshadows and put it on my eyes using my finger, and then I'm gonna put like a shimmery eyeshadow on top to blend it all in. So what you do is you put the coloured eyeshadows on underneath, and then you put like a shimmery, silvery, goldy kind of colour on top, and it gives it that holographic look because the colours still seep through. So. completed makeup look, guys. I really hope you enjoyed this. What I'm going to do now is get changed, but first things first is I'm going to set my makeup with my Urban Decay All Nighter Setting Spray. I'll also do some close-ups of the makeup. I really like how this has turned out. I really like the subtle sort of addition of the pink. I've not done a pink makeup look on here, and pink is one of my favourite colours to wear actually, but it's more of a summery colour, so I really like the addition in the eyes and also the lips. So I really hope you enjoyed this. I really hope this look does last me the whole day actually, because I am going out later, so. And that's my completed makeup look. I really hope you enjoyed it. It was sort of a DIY makeshift holographic eyeshadow look with a touch of pink. It's very Barbie-like, and I actually really love it because I love pink and it matches my nails. So I'm now ready and off out, and the sun has just come out and it's just gotten really warm in my room and my face is starting to melt off. So before that happens, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and as always, I'll see you in my next video. Bye!